Hey, what's up you guys? It's me, I'm back. I had previously just uploaded a video with my experience using Nourish's Deep and Unique. And after I uploaded it, I decided, that was 2 days ago that I first used their product. I decided that I wanted to do a live demo because that was the only way that I could really show true before and after results. Oh my gosh, sorry. So, without further ado, I want to get right into this because my skin is already super red, as you can see. So I just did another treatment. My face is feeling so plump and so full. I wanted to hop on here and show a little bit more of a demonstration. And then I will also post the link in the description of this video that links you to my Facebook Live video of showing me do this morning. When you order your Deep and Unique Nourish kit right here, it's a cute little guy. It comes with your user manual. It comes with the sterilized package. So I literally had to peel this off. This is the little container. I showed it before in the previous video. Anyways, I was trying to show you guys the little micro needles, but basically this is a micro needle applicator that has the serum in it. This serum it's a booster and it's an age-defying serum right here that I've showed you guys on the other video. Basically use your micro needling applicator to puncture little itty-bitty punctures in your skin to basically tell your skin where you want it to produce more collagen. So any of your problem areas, so for me it would be like my forehead, my under eyes, my angry lines right here, and like the skin around my mouth. So that's what I did on the Facebook Live video. But I'm just gonna show you guys really what it does and why I'm so obsessed with it, because my results are instant and you're only supposed to use this 2 to 3 times a week and I'm already addicted to it. So without further ado, I kind of shake it down a few times. As you can see, my under eyes are super red, so I'm not gonna focus on that anymore. I'm gonna just do a little bit more on my forehead, but I just go from left to right motion or right to left, up and down, back over, up, down, over, so I get that whole area. I push all the way so that some serum is coming out. Okay, so you can see how red my forehead is. Don't mind my acne. But right here, you can hear the serum coming out, and then you can see it on my skin. Kind of go all the way to like where my temples are, all the way back over. Then I'm gonna work my way down to where my angry lines are. Just like this. Then after I do my forehead and my wrinkles in between my eyebrows, I move to my under eyes, which I've already done on camera, so I'm not gonna do that because, to be honest with you, that's probably the only part that's a little bit painful, is because it's super sensitive right here. And then I did my smile lines. So like I said, I did a whole live video. You guys can totally go watch it if you're not into the whole tutorial thing. That's why I just wanted to hop on here just to give you a kind of brief overview of what I was doing on there. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this product, I'm still trying to figure out some information to see if I can get you guys a discount code. If I can't get you a discount code, it's actually a really good deal anyway because the price is already discounted to $90. Now this should last forever because I didn't even put I didn't even fill this entire thing. I did it halfway, and after 2 sessions, I got, you know, a quarter of the way. So that's pretty much it. I don't know what else to say. I'm obsessed with this product. This is my second use. I've used it on camera to show you guys that I'm so obsessed with it. It's ridiculous, and it's not too common that I fall in love with a product off the bat. I was so deathly afraid to try this because you're literally putting little tiny micro needles into your skin, but it feels so good, and afterwards your skin feels so plump and tight and refreshed. My smile lines look chunkier. It's just, overall, this product is amazing. You guys have to try it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below here. We'll be seeing more of this. I love it. Thank you so much, Nourish, for this. They are in no way sponsoring this. I'm just obsessed with it, and they never let me down with their products. So that's all, folks, and happy spring. Mercury is finally out of retrograde, so I'm in the best mood ever. Can you tell? Stay hydrated. Take care of your skin. Like, this is our vessel. Look at this. It's glowing. All right, guys.